My dear friends, myself Prashant Venbagal. Today we are going to learn another AI tool which helps to create creative AI videos using your own uh, images or some other features. So welcome all of you. Please watch the entire video up to the end and kindly subscribe my channel for the new videos. So for that you have to search in Google D-ID AI. So this is the website. Just click on the first one, DID. Using your own images, you can create colorful videos. So here we can click the start free trial. You can log in with your own Gmail for creating. So that platform will bring you to another area. So here you can create, this is the dashboard. You can create using one image for free. So click on the create option, click create a video. So you can give, this is the dashboard, you can give what your image, and you can give your own audio, or you can give a text for the video. So voices can be given in different areas, and if you want to give your own face for the video, just click on add. So click the add option. From your computer you can add that face for talking audio. Here we have to log in our Gmail. For the free account, we can continue with our Gmail. It will take some time, and we can enter into the dashboard again. We can add our own images, and we can create colorful videos. So already I have created on video. Just click on the create option again, video. Here we can upload. See my avatars. I have uploaded on video picture. Just click on the upload. Click on the upload and select one of your picture. If you are selecting a PNG image without any background, that will be more colorful, and you can give your own audio also. Any audio you want, you can give. I just selected on a picture with the background. That's not a problem with the background. We can add our add a colorful background for our video also. So just picture is added. So here we can change our emotions. See different emotions: natural, happy, natural, happy, then surprised, serious. That type of emotions we can give. Okay, so natural, surprised, happy. I just selected happy, and if you want audio, you can give in different voices. You can convert the text also. So that's regarding that our emotions. Click on the script. Here you can give the text. Text limited options are available. Better you just click on the audio. Here you can record the audio, or you can upload the recorded audio. Just I am going to upload an audio which is already recorded. So this one I already recorded on audio is there. Open, click open. Within seconds it will upload, and for that uploading, very simple procedures are there. See, this is the audio I am going to give. If you want to change any background, that also possible. You can upload one background for your video from your own computer. Now I am not interested, and you can select this type of backgrounds also. So that also we can make changes for our video. And text, anything you want to add as headlines and everything, that also you can give. That also you can give. You can just drag and place it anywhere. Fix the color, change the color. After that, just click on the right side, generate video. Here you can give the name for your video. I just giving a small name, and let's go. 20 that type of videos we can create with a free account. With a free account, we can create 20 that type of videos. But you know, it is not a paid platform. If we are using for free, there will be a watermark. Yeah, now it is ready. Just click on the video. You can download also this video. See, a watermark is there in the video.
Hi my dear friends, welcome to my new video. Here I am sharing 50 different creative activities in Class 11 Accountancy. Please watch the video up to the end and share with your friends. Thank you.
Amount for downloading. So if you want to remove the watermark, you can use video watermark removers also available in the online Google. And see, my video is already ready in the download area. A small video sizes are there. So very easily we can develop that type of videos using our own AI platform DID. So thank you for watching my video. Kindly share this useful video with your friends.
Hi my dear friends, welcome to my new video. Here I am sharing 50 different creative activities